BabyTales.
Hello, my merry art enthusiasts. Today, we're ushering in the holiday spirit with a delightful art session. Join us as we draw and color not one, but two jolly snowmen, one adorned with a traditional hat. Let's start by sketching our first snowman, the epitome of holiday joy. Picture a round, jolly body, topped with a festive hat made of snow. Let your imagination frost over with the magic of the season. Let's sprinkle some holiday magic onto our snowman. Draw coal, eyes, carrot noses, and stick arms. Don't forget to add snowflakes, buttons, and maybe even a scarf or mittens for some extra coziness. Time to infuse our snowmen with color. Choose cool blues and whites for their bodies, and don't hold back on the vibrant hues for their accessories. Let your palette dance with the spirit of the season. Now, let's add a twist to our second snowman with a charming hat. Sketch out a classic snowman figure, but this time, add a detailed hat, perhaps a top hat, a Santa hat, or even a cozy knit cap. Let your creativity snowball. Now to color second snowman with red muffler and gray hat. Remember, this is your holiday masterpiece. Feel free to add a snowy backdrop, twinkling stars, or even a cheerful winter landscape. Let your imagination sparkle like freshly fallen snow. And there you have it, 2 festive snowmen ready to spread joy and merriment. We've turned our paper into a canvas of holiday delight. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your holiday season be as bright and merry as our snowmen.